Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm going to show you how to put text behind a person or an object. Very simple in Fusion actually, not an edit page, not in a color page. In Fusion, it's got a video here. I have to use this on-screen keyboard because I'm paralyzed. I can't use my hands and arms. That's why it's up there in the way. Click away right about here. Shift space and magic mask. Get a merge. If you pull it out and hover it over it till it turns two different colors, yellow and blue, let go, it'll connect. If you miss, pull the shift key down and you can connect it that way. Select the magic mask. I always use better. If you have a good enough computer, better's the way to go. You can get a preview if you want like that. And if you have any edges, you can clean them up here with the mat. On something like this, you really don't have to because we're using the same background. But just select the mat and the erode, dilate. A little bit to the left, and I clean it right up. Go back to tracking. I'm in the middle of the timeline, so I got to go both ways. Okay, it's done tracking. Put the media out, back in the viewer. Get another merge. Text node. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.